Hello everyone, welcome back with the fourth puzzle in this editional of today's newspaper on Thursday, July the 16th 2020. The fourth is a binary puzzle, and this puzzle will be a number 1169. And what kind of binary puzzle is this? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there's always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's... Oh, apologies, I have bumped the camera. Apologies. Yes, I need to be careful. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here O, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here O, there O. Between two O's comes in 1, double one, here O, there no. Double one, here O, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 1, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here O, there O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here O, there O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 O's in a row, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Then between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Then between two ones comes an O. I think I need to compare. I need to compare because I cannot continue. Alright. So this row and the last row. 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 empty box. So I need to switch these two numbers. We have a 1 here, so this should be an O. We have a O here, so this should be a 1. Double 1 here and O, then O. Double O here and 1, then 1. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O, here and 1, then 1. 4 1s, so the rest are O's. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s, so the rest are O's. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Finished in 3 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will continue in a minute with this one, a tectonic one, and that will be the last Sudoku in this additional. So see you later, and bye bye for now.